Curb appeal plays a major role in how a home is perceived, whether you're welcoming guests, enjoying your neighborhood, or thinking about long-term property value. One upgrade that makes an immediate visual impact is installing vinyl windows. For homeowners in Rockford, vinyl windows offer a clean, polished look that enhances exterior appearance while also delivering practical benefits that support everyday living. Creating a clean, updated exterior look. Old or worn windows can make a home look dated, even if the rest of the exterior is well maintained. Faded frames, peeling finishes, or mismatched styles can detract from the overall appearance. Vinyl windows provide a fresh, uniform look that instantly updates the exterior of a home. Rockford homeowners often notice how vinyl windows give their property a more finished and cohesive appearance. The smooth, clean lines of vinyl frames create a modern feel that works well with a wide range of architectural styles. Consistent style across the home. One of the keys to strong curb appeal is consistency. Vinyl windows are available in a variety of styles and configurations, making it easier to maintain a unified look across the entire home. Whether replacing a few windows or upgrading the whole property, vinyl designs help ensure everything matches. For Rockford properties, this consistency creates visual balance and symmetry. A well-coordinated window layout makes the home feel thoughtfully designed and well cared for. Long-lasting appearance without constant upkeep. Curb appeal isn't just about how a home looks today, it's about how it continues to look over time. Vinyl windows are designed to maintain their appearance without frequent maintenance. Unlike materials that may require repainting or refinishing, vinyl frames retain their color and finish with minimal effort. Rockford homeowners appreciate that vinyl windows stay looking clean and attractive year after year. Simple cleaning is usually enough to keep them looking their best, helping preserve curb appeal with less work. Enhancing architectural details. Vinyl windows do more than replace old frames, they help highlight architectural features. Their clean profiles draw attention to window shapes, trim, and overall proportions rather than distracting from them. In Rockford homes with traditional or contemporary designs, vinyl windows complement existing features instead of overpowering them. This subtle enhancement allows the home's architecture to shine while benefiting from a modern update. Improving the home's first impression. First impressions matter, and windows are one of the most noticeable exterior elements. Vinyl windows help create a welcoming, well-maintained appearance that sets the tone before anyone steps inside. For Rockford homeowners, this improved first impression can make a big difference. Whether greeting visitors or simply enjoying the view of your own home, vinyl windows contribute to a sense of pride and satisfaction. Supporting property value and market appeal. Homes with strong curb appeal tend to attract more interest and hold value better over time. Vinyl windows are widely recognized as a desirable feature because they combine appearance, durability, and ease of care. Even if selling isn't an immediate plan, Rockford homeowners benefit from knowing that vinyl windows enhance long-term market appeal. Buyers often appreciate the updated look and low-maintenance nature of vinyl windows when evaluating a property. Complementing landscaping and exterior design. Vinyl windows work well alongside landscaping and exterior features such as siding, shutters, and trim. Their neutral, clean appearance allows other design elements to stand out without visual clutter. In Rockford neighborhoods, vinyl windows help create a harmonious exterior that blends well with surrounding homes while still feeling updated and polished. A simple upgrade with noticeable results. Enhancing curb appeal doesn't always require a major renovation. Vinyl windows offer a straightforward upgrade that delivers visible results almost immediately. They refresh the home's exterior, improve consistency, and support a more modern appearance. For Rockford properties, vinyl windows are a smart investment in both style and substance. By enhancing curb appeal while offering long-lasting performance, they help homes look better, feel more complete, and make a strong impression for years to come.